So far, so good today, and we're glad with how things have gone. There are certain house cleaning things that have been done as regards the documents, and those will be done today, tomorrow. But I want to use this opportunity to truly thank the good people of Edo State for having come out in massive numbers in the rain, in the difficulties, to vote for us on the 21st, and for keeping faith and staying true with us, and for keeping up hope. And then they've been very calm in the face of intimidation, in the face of harassment in the last 3 months. They've stayed faithful, and they've stayed with us, and they're living on strong hope. And I'm truly thankful to them. We strongly believe that the judiciary will do the right thing, and we're looking forward to the outcome of the tribunal proceedings. And I thank our people, and I'm hoping our people continue to stay strong, continue to be strong in hope, and continue to know that at the end of the day, wherever there is darkness, there will be light at the end of the day. I know our people are going through a lot of hardship and a lot of suffering, but I just ask them to stay strong and to stay prayerful. There are many things that are being thrown by way of distraction to take our eyes off the ball. Eyes on the ball. The ball of ensuring that we go through the tribunal proceedings effectively. At the end of the day, we reclaim our mandate and we're able to work positively for the good people of Edo State. And like we've said, remove poverty from our land, take Edo State to the next level. And I'm hopeful that by the grace of God Almighty, we'll be given the great opportunity, Osarojin Ogie and myself, to take Edo State to the next level, to make our people be happy, live well, live happily, to make our people take poverty away from the land, take intimidation, take harassment, take lion, tiger, Agbero kind of living, take fear out of our land. You know, Edo State is a state blessed awesomely by God, and by God's grace, we'll be given the opportunity to bring out the great potentialities of the state.
This morning, we took witnesses from Accord Party. They said they have 5 witnesses, 3 were taken today, and they told the court that they have 2 more witnesses to be taken tomorrow. So the court adjourned it for them to complete their witnesses tomorrow. Then the court now embarked on just 1 hour break, or 1 hour 30 minutes break. And they came back. It was the turn of PDP and APC. And so PDP was supposed to start to feed their witnesses today, but the lead counsel to PDP informed the court that they want to get a schedule of the documents. They have a lot of documents, more than 1,000 documents to be tendered, but they need to be on the schedule. And so the parties now agreed that these documents are going to be assessed by all the lawyers from all the parties, you know, supervised by the registry of the tribunal. When they get this is not going to take 1 day, it's going to take like 2 days. So they asked that they do it today and tomorrow. So the matter was now adjourned to on the 17th, which is next tomorrow, for the continuation of hearing.